Here we are in the building phase, and this is the perfect opportunity to create a feature ceiling.
So if you already have a ceiling, such as gyprocked, you can go straight over the top with these sheets.
But first things first, let's do some preparation. For the first step, you want to make sure that your rafters are nice and straight and there's no bows. So what you can do, use a straight edge, run it along those rafters and make sure that they're all touching. And if they're all pretty straight, you're good to start. Another little tip is we're going to actually cover this ceiling, and because we want to know where our rafters are, we're just going to put a little mark right in the center, and that's where we know where to fix our nails to. Now that we know our rafters are straight and we've marked the center of those, we're good to take our first measurement. Now that the sheet's cut, we want to make sure that you glue the underside of your rafters. So you can use some acrylic stud adhesive or some polyurethane glue. Now for the fun part, it's time to throw these sheets up, but they're pretty long, so we're going to need some hands to help. To fix the sheets to the ceiling, the best tool to use is a Paslode fix-out gun, or if you don't have one of these, you can hand nail it, but these make life so much easier. Each product is designed with a tongue and groove easy join system, allowing you to join the sheets together smoothly. There we go, all done, ready for the painters.
There we go, we've created a subtle feature with our ceiling by adding that extra texture.
And the best part is you could literally do this to any part of your home.